Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
It's as simple as, keeping your valleys clean.
And a valley is?
So a valley is a spot. It makes like a V shape, and that's where the water runs off the roof. And so we have when it comes to like a tile roof, we do the 3-rib valley. That's code. And so you want to make sure that valley is clear, because if there's like leaves, if there's dirt, then the water is going to get stuck. It's going to like dam up, and then that water just stays on the roof instead of flowing off.
And often the valley is formed by, the ridge of 2 roofing angles coming together, creating a 90 degree.
Yes.
And that sheds down the middle. Well, being that it creates that 2-directional structure, that's a perfect spot for, where all the leaves and all the clutter gather, because it hits the side and it doesn't have anywhere to go from there.
No, and it's that part is usually the flat area, obviously, of the roof too, on that where that's located at. So yeah, things will get stuck there, and it's like, if you can at least have us come out, once a year and clean that. I tell people too, sometimes people need twice a year for us to come out there and clean that out. But
mature homes with bigger trees and more landscape.
And that's the thing too, if you can keep trees away from your roof, then that's going to help as well, because they're obviously going to fall on top of there. So like areas up north, we see a lot of that stuff get compiled up, and then obviously people that have like a lot of landscaping.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.